And then you can start using Sora 2 directly inside here, which is completely no code, right? So you can see if we scroll in, we can start using this no code over here, all right? And then we can put in whatever prompt we have. So you can see, for example, this is one that's generated inside the chat.
And here's the part you've been waiting for. Sora 2 is now available on Key AI, making it easier than ever to create stunning videos.
BC, it says, so is this video a Sora hack to access it? Yeah. So, I mean, like, you don't need to wait for an in-by code to be able to access it now with this process, right? And you can see the video quality with standard is pretty grainy. I don't like that at all, to be honest with you. We can actually click on view full history, and then I think we can look at what we've done. See, you can see there's a few failures here, right? It's just something to be wary of. Is like sometimes this stuff does not work. Let's go inside Sora 2 playground, okay, and then we're going to say okay, HD portrait. We're going to say okay. In fact, we'll do landscape. Sam Altman stealing GPUs. Quartz on camera. CCCV in a shop. Red-handed by security staff at night time. So you can see, for example, you can just type in no code over here, and then it will start generating the content. It is super slow, to be fair, when you're using this. The other thing you can do is like you can do image to video. So if we duplicate this tab, if we go back now, this is interesting. So you can see there's a lot of failures here, right? So let's try this. Sam Altman in a shop stealing GPUs. I feel like it is a little bit more restricted, or it's failing more inside Kia, and I think that's because everyone's using the API. But a lot of them seem to get to like 2% complete. I think by the time you're watching this video on the organic, if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, that should be sorted out because it's just come out a few hours ago. Let's see, we can come back to that later. Some other thing to note, look at that, generation failed. So something is going on with Kia. Like, I don't know if it's just, but for sure there's some problems with the API here. And then Sora text to video. So this is basically OpenAI's latest AI generation video model. And you can switch between text to video or image to video